Introduction. It is a bright sunny winter afternoon. Seema and her family have planned a picnic at the nearby park. Just when they are getting ready to go, the sun disappears. Dark, rainy clouds appear in the sky. Soon it starts raining heavily. The picnic is cancelled. Seema is upset. In this lesson, you will learn about weather and seasons. Weather. Weather is the everyday state of atmosphere in a particular area at a particular point of time. Weather may change frequently. For example, a sunny morning can be followed by a rainy afternoon. Seasons. The weather changes in cycles, and these cycles are called seasons. There are 4 main seasons in a year. They are summer from April to June, monsoon from July to September, winter from October to January, spring from February to March. Summer season. In the summer season, the weather is hot and sunny. We wear light-colored cotton clothes to stay cool. We wear slippers and sandals and avoid shoes. We enjoy mangoes, ice creams, and cold drinks. We use coolers and air conditioners to keep our homes cool and pleasant. Monsoon season. Monsoon refers to the wind that brings rains. That is why the season of heavy and continuous rainfall is also known as the monsoon season. During the monsoons, we wear raincoats and rain boots. We carry umbrellas when we step out of the house. Clouds. Clouds bring rains. A cloud is made up of millions of water droplets. Many water droplets combine to form water drops. As the drops grow in size, they become heavy and fall on earth as rain. Winds carry clouds from one place to another. Winter season. The winter season is a cold season. During this season, visibility is low due to fog. We wear woolens in winters to keep ourselves warm. We drink cups of steaming hot soups, teas, and coffees. Spring season. The weather is pleasant in the spring season. The season marks the change from winter to summer. Different varieties of flowers blossom in spring. Weather forecast. Prediction of the future weather conditions of an area is called weather forecast. Weather forecast predicts the temperature, humidity, and possibility of rainfalls in a particular area in the near future. Weather reports tell us the weather conditions prevailing in different parts of the world. These reports are prepared with the help of information collected by satellites. Effect of weather. Weather affects us in many ways. For example, we wear clothes according to the prevailing weather conditions. We wear cotton in summers, woolens in winters. The food that we eat also changes according to weather. We prefer to eat cold things in summers and hot things in winters. We change our routine according to the changes in weather. For example, when it rains heavily in the evening during playtime, we stay indoors. Excessive rainfall causes floods, resulting in loss of life and property. Temperature changes and rainfall affect our crops. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Weather is the everyday state of atmosphere in a particular area at a particular point of time. Cyclical weather changes are called seasons. There are 4 main seasons: summer, monsoon, winter and spring. Monsoon is rain-bearing seasonal wind. The clouds are made up of tiny water droplets. Wind is moving air.